DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, is a complex molecule that carries the genetic information that makes each living organism unique. DNA is a double-stranded helix-shaped molecule made up of 4 chemical building blocks, known as nucleotides: adenine, A, guanine, G, cytosine, C, and thymine, T. These nucleotides pair up in a specific way to form the rungs of the DNA ladder, with A pairing with T and G pairing with C. DNA is found in the nucleus of every cell in the human body and in the cells of all other living organisms. It is responsible for coding the instructions for the development and functioning of every living organism, from the tiniest bacterium to the largest mammal. This genetic information is passed from one generation to the next through the process of reproduction, ensuring the survival of species over time. The genetic information stored in DNA is written in a code made up of sequences of the 4 nucleotides. This code provides the instructions for building proteins, which are the building blocks of life. Proteins perform a wide range of functions, from structural support to facilitating chemical reactions. DNA as the molecule responsible for carrying genetic information has had a profound impact on the field of biology. In the 1950s and 1960s, the structure of DNA was determined by scientists James Watson and Francis Crick, using data gathered by Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins. This discovery provided a fundamental understanding of the way in which genetic information is stored and transmitted. Since then, advances in DNA technology have enabled scientists to sequence entire genomes, to identify specific genetic mutations that cause diseases, and to develop new drugs and treatments that target these mutations. In addition, DNA analysis has also been used in forensic science to identify suspects in criminal investigations and to track the spread of infectious diseases. The study of DNA has also had important implications for our understanding of evolution. By comparing the DNA sequences of different species, scientists have been able to trace the evolutionary history of life on Earth and to understand the genetic changes that have taken place over time. In conclusion, DNA is a complex and fascinating molecule that plays a central role in the biology of all living organisms. Its discovery has revolutionized our understanding of the natural world and has paved the way for new advances in medicine, forensics, and evolutionary biology. The study of DNA will continue to be a major area of research for many years to come.